What's the word, YouTube? Back with another video. Today I'm giving y'all another POV. My sister's in the car. It's another POV video today, man. But first, I gotta fill up once again. I feel like every video I make now, I'm filling up in this car. Once I fill up, we gonna hit the highway, do a little bit. I'm not gonna do too much because it is the holiday weekend. Well, it's not even the weekend no more, it's Monday, but it is the holiday, so I'm not gonna go too crazy because the cops do be out over here. So yeah, I'm gonna fill up real quick and then I'm gonna pick back up the camera. All right, y'all, got the car all filled up. I don't know. Look at that bird, y'all. Shut the fuck up. I didn't even tell y'all where we was going. So we're going to the mall because tomorrow is my mom's birthday. So we're gonna be going to the mall, picking up some her gift at the mall. So hopefully y'all been doing good, man. I don't know why it always feels like I'm like posting after like years and taking a break whenever I don't post. Or whenever I post on Thursdays, it feels like I haven't posted in a while whenever I come to post on Monday. I don't know why this truck is riding in this passing lane like this, but it's kind of actually making me pretty mad. But yeah, I'm trying to still give y'all some decent content on the E39 because I haven't really had nothing going on as far as like customizing the car, fixing the car, or anything. The car has still been running great, so that's really the only thing that I'm worried about as of right now, is making sure the car is still running good. But yeah, man, hopefully y'all been good, everything great. I know y'all been started school by now, so hopefully school's been going great, man. Truck was getting really annoying to me. But yeah, I think I said this in the last video. I did order something for the car, so that should be coming in within like the next couple weeks here. It's gonna take a minute to get here, but it's gonna make the car look way better. And by me saying that, y'all probably already know what it's about to be, but yeah, I think it's gonna make the car look completely better. Hopefully that air noise just stopped because I just closed the sunroof. Lie to y'all, bro. For a 225 horsepower car, this car kind of does get up. Can't lie. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna chill though, because the cops be sitting everywhere on holiday weekends, so. And another thing, bro, I need to get this car clean, man. This car is disgusting. Like, it's ridiculous how disgusting this car is. It rained the other day, so it's not as bad, but it needs some love, I can't lie. Thought that was a cop for a second. I was not looking. But yeah, I haven't haven't really been able to kind of like get out and like POV the car, like record a POV for the car, because it's been so hot. And I didn't want to like push my car, and it's this hot, and it was so hot outside. So I think I posted a video. I can't remember right now if I posted that video, but I recorded a POV, I think. Yeah, it was my recent video, the short afternoon POV. If you haven't watched it, I'll tag it in a video here. Make sure you go check that video out. But I recorded that video, and it was insanely hot in that video. Like it was like over 100 degrees. I think it was 101 outside that day. So I didn't push the car at all that day. I kind of was just driving, and plus there was traffic that day too. So but yeah, it kind of cooled off today. It's like 80. The high is like 80, so it's pretty cool today. But yeah, I don't want to be beating up on my car, and it's like over 100 degrees outside, and it was humid too. So it's not like it's just 100 and it's just like hot. It's hotter than that. So yeah, like I said, hopefully y'all been enjoying the E39 content though. Try to keep coming, man. I'm trying to stay consistent, man. It's a grind, man, and I enjoy it, to be honest. I enjoy the grind. So I'm gonna just keep giving y'all new content every day, or new content every Monday and Thursday. Sorry, if you didn't know that, I post on Mondays and Thursdays every week. So stay tuned for videos dropping. I even post shorts like in between then. Like I'll probably post a short tomorrow. I posted one yesterday. I'm gonna tag that in the video as well. Make sure you go check that out. I posted a short yesterday, just kind of out of the blue. But yeah, I'm gonna post probably another one tomorrow. So with the shorts, it kind of just depends. It doesn't matter to me whenever I post those. So yeah, we basically almost here. I'm basically at my exit. Trying to figure out if I'm probably not gonna vlog in the store. It's crazy because when you're recording these videos, you don't actually understand, or at least I don't actually understand how long these videos are until I turn the camera off and then I look at how long the video is. Like I would have thought right now this is like been a 5-minute video, but it's not. It's probably over 10 minutes. The Beamer 430. Yeah, this color is clean though. I like the colorway. I think it has black interior, by the way. Ooh, see, I respect that. See, the red seats. Like that actually looks nice. Would I buy a convertible though? No. Or a soft top? No. That's just me though. But yeah, if you can't tell already, we are here at the mall. There's a lot of people here. Man, it's a lot of people. Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna record. Definitely not gonna record. There's too many people. If y'all are YouTubers, does this happen to y'all? Like, do people look at y'all crazy whenever y'all have like head mounts on? Cause folks be looking at me like I'm stupid. I guess it makes sense, but yeah, it's hard. I can't lie, it's hard. Do I want to park next to this truck? No, but I'm gonna have to. I can't even make that cut, bro. I'm about to just go right here. Park next to the Mini Coupe. That's what I'm gonna do. I don't know why, but every time I park while I'm recording, I always hit the camera on the safety beams right here. All right, so we made it here. Probably gonna end this video here, to be honest. Yeah, this video is already 14 minutes long, so. All right, appreciate y'all for watching though. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Like I said, I'm gonna post a short tomorrow. Yeah, I probably got a thing on my forehead. Yeah, I do. I got a line on my forehead. I don't know if y'all can see. But yeah, I'm gonna post a short tomorrow. And then y'all already know videos coming on Thursday, per usual. But appreciate y'all for watching, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff, you know. I used to daydream watching them niggas on TV. Get mad when I think all niggas was trim really young and I'm having think all of my life. I ain't cried since OG died. Got me some money and niggas start begging and bitches start sending me more hard eyes. I'm giving testimony.